Do you want to grow your business by using ads? Great. You are exactly where you want to be. This is Zubi. Welcome to my profile. I have been a freelancer since grad school. My background is in tech space from digital marketing to e-commerce. I hold a degree in engineering that helps me strongly in my career as marketing. I can write persuasive, customer-focused and direct response ad copy for you. I use segmentation, test and find different customer avatars, optimization and testing different demographics every day. Using ABO, CBO and dynamic ad strategies. Once profitable, then scale your account. Achieving maximum ROAS by using budget optimization and automated rules. I always work with quality. I'm always sincere to my clients. That is the reason they are hiring me again and again. I never risk anyone. In addition to my specialized knowledge, I render high-level services. I take the responsibility of your project, appreciate your time, and always meet the deadlines. I'm mostly online and ready to discuss your project right now.